Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Take Care Pro. So today I'm going to show you how to download Instagram reels or videos in your gallery without any app. So at first go to Instagram and look for some videos. So let's find some reels. Okay, so tap the send icon here and now tap download. Okay, so go to your add story. Now make it bigger and then tap the three dot and now tap save. So this video will be saved in your gallery. So this is how you can download Instagram Reels without any app in your gallery. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.